Learning is the Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Maseches Nazir Perek Vav Mishna Yod Gilech al Hazevach v'Nimsa Pasal. So we learned previously that the Nazir first brings his karbanas, or at least one carbon. It was a machlokes whether it was the Shloimie or the Chatas, and then he does the taglachas. Let's say the carbon turned out was pasal. Either it was nishbach damai, or the dam was yatsa, or became tamei. So then it turns out that he didn't bring a carbon kosher. So taglachta psuloi, his taglachas is pasal, and he would have to have another taglachas. The Rav brings down that according to Eliezer it would be seiser 7 days. According to Rabbanan, you would need to do another 30 days. Vizvachav loy ololoi, and if you did not wait to do a new taglachas and you just brought the remaining karbanas, those karbanas also are going to be pasal. Gilach al chata shalei lishma, v'achar kach hevi karbonaisa lishma. So the same way by a zevach there's a psul of nishbach dama, yatzai, or nitma. So by chatas, if you shechted it shalei lishma, it also becomes pasal, and therefore it would be the same halacha. The taglachta would be psula, v'zvachiv loy ololoi. But let's say you were megaleach ala oila v'ala shlamim shalei lishma. Let's say the first carbon was either the oila or the shlamon, and it wasn't pasal, just you had a machshava shalei lishma. So now it's going to be a machlokes in the Mishnah, because we know that only a chatas that's shechted shalei lishma is pasal, but other zvachim is like olol l'bayim l'shem chayva, but the carbon's still kosher. So it'll be like bringing a regular nidava, a ilas nidava, or shalmei nidava. So what's the halacha if you brought shalmei nidava and and the Nazir did the taglachas on a shalmei nidava? So that's the next machlokes in the Mishnah. Tanakama holds that over here also it's pasal, but Reb Shimon says this one is le'ol l'bayim l'shem chayva. It blibes like a shalmei nidava. If you were megaleach on a shalmei nidava, the giluach is going to be good, and therefore the other zvachim that you brought afterwards are not going to be pasal; they're going to be kosher. The Gemara learns it out of a gzeres hakasiv that you could be megaleach on shalmei or oil nidava also. Ve'im gilech al shlashta v'nimsa echa mihem kosher. Let's say he brought all three karbanas and one of them was kosher and the other two were not. Then you're okay, because you only need a megaleach on one carbon. Tagach teksheira v'yavi shvar zachem. And then you can bring the other zachem. Mishnah Yud Aleph. Mishnah nizig alav echaman adamim v'nitma. If the zrika was done for, let's say, the shlamim, one of the karbanas, and then the Nazir became tameh. So the shayla in this Mishnah over here is the same shayla that we had in Mishnah Tes, at the end of Mishnah Tes. Are his naziris over after he did the zrika, or do you have to wait until you did the taglachas? So we spoke out over there, Rabbi Eliezer Shita was a taglachas ma'akiv, and Rabbi Eliezer over here also says soiser sakel, which the Gemara explains over here doesn't mean that he has to do all his naziris over again, because it's achar yimei velois. Rabbi Eliezer Shita is that it's only soiser zayin, the Gemara says this, and therefore soiser sakel just means you have to bring all the other karbanas again. So it's soiser zayin, and you have to bring all the other karbanas again. Because Rabbi Eliezer Shita is that taglachas is ma'akiv, and since he didn't do the taglachas yet, so therefore it's like it became tamei achar malois, but still before his naziris is over, and therefore he would have to bring all three karbanas again. However, the Chacham hold, no, as soon as you did zrika on one of the karbanas, so the naziris is over already. So that yavi shar karbonaisa v'yitar. As long as you become tar, you do hazah, gimel, and zayin to become tar now, you could just bring the remaining two karbanas that you had to bring. The first carbon he brought before he became tameh, he was good. Now he's already finished his zeros. Now he became tameh, so as Allah chavada, you can't bring your karbanas b'tumah, so you have to first be mitar, and then you can bring the other two karbanas. But it's not soiser zayin, and you don't need to bring over that first carbon again, like it really has a held. The Chacham hold that all you need to do is be mitar, and then you can bring the other two karbanas. Amrloi, and the Chacham brought a raya to their words, because it was a maisa, but Miriam had Tarmudis, Miriam from Tarmage, and Izagalech and Adamim. This happened to her. They had zrika. Ubav Amra Abita Shaisa Misukenes Velchom Matza Shemesa. They told her that her daughter is very sick. By the time she got there, she was niftaris, and she became Tmeya Tumas Meis, and therefore she had to first become tar. Omer Chacham Tavi Sharka Maniseviti tar, become tar, and then you only need to bring the remaining 2 karbanos.